Okay, this just came in the mail. Bruh.
Alright, plugging PC in for the first time.
It didn't do anything.
Hold on, I found a headband. No, I only need to kill a few guards to get free.
Okay, after trying a while, I got the screws off for the tempered glass.
So done.
At least I think it's tempered. Anyways, or whatever. Whatever it's called. Oh, okay, so you slide it.
When you're so done, you're
No, it's a bit dark, but as you can tell, yeah, looks good. Here, let's see what that is. Oh, ow.
Okay, I have another gold coin. Should I try it again, Aiden?
Ball stick, don't know what that is. And this is the G4 1660 Super, not TI sadly. So yeah, let's boot up the PC, see what's it's going. Okay.
Maybe above level 20.
Booting up PC for the first time. Okay, I messed up something. Okay, fix the problem. I did not turn it on from the back. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, I could give you the steel ball.
Desktop Windows, default Windows desktop moment. Hi, thank you everyone for watching this video. Now that I have a new PC, I will now strive to make better quality content on this platform. Yeah, alright. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.